in connection with the dimensional analysis. Number one, if the two physical quantities are added with each other, they will have the same dimensions. That means dimension of A plus B will be equal to the dimension of A equal to dimension of B. See here, that means as B is added with A, so dimension of A plus B will have the same dimension as that of A and B. So if C equal A plus B divided by D, C equal A plus B divided by D, then dimension of C will be what? Dimension of A plus B divided by dimension of D. And in place of A plus B, dimension of A plus B, what we can write? Only dimension of A divided by dimension of D. Also, what we can say, dimension of C will be equal to dimension of B divided by dimension of D. Here we can write, since dimension of A plus B will be equal to dimension of A. Dimension of A. So therefore A plus B will have the same dimension as that of A. Again we can write dimension of C as dimension of B divided by dimension of D. We can say that, what we can say, that means if we add, we get resultant for say F is the resultant of F1 and F2. So if F1 equal to 1 Newton, F2 equal to 2 Newton, then what will be the value of F? 3 Newton. Hence we can say that what is the dimension of F? Dimension of F will be equal to dimension of F1 plus F2 will be equal to dimension of F1 will be equal to dimension of F2, which will be equal to Newton. That means third bracket F means we are considering dimension or unit. So what is the dimension of F1 plus F2? F1 plus F2 we know that is 3 Newton. So hence it will be equivalent to Newton. So if two physical quantities are added with each other, they will have the same dimensions. Now we have to know the second important fact, that is trigonometric functions have no dimensions. So therefore dimension of sine theta is equal to 1, dimension of cosine theta or cos theta is equal to 1, dimension of tan theta is equal to 1. And also what we can write, as sine theta has no dimension, we can say that dimension of theta is also 1. So as sine theta has no dimensions, comma, theta, the angle, has no dimensions. Number 3, e to the power x, so that is exponential number, exponential x has no dimensions, Therefore we can say that e to the power x is equal to 1. E to the power x is exponential x, has no dimensions. And also we can say, as e to the power x has no dimension, we can say that the power of e, that is x, has no dimension. So as e to the power x has no dimensions, the power of exponential number has also no dimensions. X has no dimensions. And what is the formula of e to the power x? Which is 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 plus dot 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 dot. And what is the value of e? E to the power 1 or only e, which is e is equal to 2.718.